Hello children, today's session will focus on identifying the base, the percentage, and rate in a problem. I feel how much excited you are to learn. So, let's begin by answering this 5-item warm-up exercise. All you need to do is to read each statement, then put your thumbs up if the statement is true. However, you will put your thumbs down if it is false. Are you set? Let's begin. Read the first statement with me. Percentage is the number with percent sign. Raise your thumbs. Good try. If you put the thumbs down, you're right. It is because a given with a percent sign beside it is called rate. Let's read the second statement. Rate is a part of a whole. Thumbs up or down? That's correct. You should put your thumbs down because it is the percentage which is considered part of the whole. Moving on to the third statement, let's read. Base is the number representing the whole. Hands up. Great answer. You should raise your thumbs up since this statement is correct. The fourth statement, rate is a number compared to 100. Raise your hands. Good try. This statement is true, so you really must raise your thumbs up. For the last item, percentage is equal to rate multiplied by the base. Thumbs up or down? Let me see your answers. Raising your thumbs up is correct because the statement is true. After answering the previous activity, I can say that you are ready to learn our lesson intended for today. Let's begin by reading this problem silently. Did you understand the problem? We'll find out later. Based on the problem, who wanted to be protected every time he goes out? Did you say Jude? Good answer. What did he use to keep himself protected? Correct. Face mask is the answer. How many face masks does he have in all? You're right. That's 8. What percent is 2 of his total face mask? Yes, that's 25%. What kind of a boy is Jude? Will you imitate him? Why? What are we asked to find in the problem? Good answers. The answers are rate, percentage, and base. What are the given? The givens are 25%, 2, and 8. Based on the problem, all we need to do is to identify which is the rate, base, and the percentage. To do that, you have to analyze the problem. Just consider the fact that the rate is easier to identify since it always follows the percent symbol. As you recall, the given 25% has the percent symbol beside it. Therefore, This stands for the rate. Base, on the other hand, refers to the whole or total number of face masks Jude has, which we earlier said it's 8. Therefore, the face in this problem is 8. Lastly, the percentage is the part of the whole or remaining given, which is 2. Finally, we can say that the rate is 25%, the base is 8, and the percentage is 2. Let me continue my discussion using the succeeding table to present other examples. The table consists of 4 columns. The first column contains the statement. The second column contains the rate. The third column contains the base. And the fourth column contains the percentage. Look closely at statement A. From here, there are 3 numbers given: 25%, 300, and 75. Each of these numbers is displaced in the second to the fourth columns, wherein 25% is considered the rate, 300 as the base, and 75 as the percentage. From statement B, the given are 10%, 200, and 20. It can further be observed that 10% is the rate, 200 is the base, and 20 is the percentage. Statement C, having 45, 75%, and 60 as the given. 75% is considered the rate, 60 is the base, and 45 is the percentage. From all the given, rate such as 25%, 10%, and 75% can be easily identified because it is written with a percent symbol after the numeral. The rate is often written before the word of. Recalling from the 3 statements, 300, 200, and 60 are considered the base. The base often follows the word of, since it indicates the whole or 100%. Hence, 75, 20, and 45 are the percentage. Percentage is the part of the base. Based on the given examples, it can be said that the rate is the easiest to identify since it is written or expressed with the percent symbol or the word percent. It is often written before the word of. The base is the whole or 100%. It is often written after the word of. The percentage is considered as the part of the whole or base. Now, let's have some exercises to apply what you have learned. Another table with 5 mathematical statements. All you have to do is to identify the rate, base, and percentage by writing them on the proper column. I will give you a minute to answer this task. Your time starts now. Time is up. We will check your answers now. From the statement in item 1, 30 is 20% of 150. 20% is the rate, 150 is the base, and 30 is the percentage. For item 2, 15% of 800 is 120. 15% is the rate, 800 is the base, and 120 is the percentage. In item 3, 1000 is 5/8% of 1600. 5/8% is the rate, 1600 is the base, and 1000 is the percentage. Moving on to the statement in item 4, 125% of 60 is 75. 125% is the rate, 60 is the base, and 75 is the percentage. You can notice here that the percentage becomes higher than the value of the base. This is because the rate exceeds to 100%. You will understand this better tomorrow on our next lesson. We are now down to the last item of this exercise. So, from the statement, 1,500 is 50% of 3,000. It can be said that 50% is the rate, 3,000 is the base, and 1,500 is the percentage. Good job, children! Looking back on the examples and exercises you have undertaken, how can we easily identify the rate, base, and percentage in a mathematical statement or a problem? Can you cite your answer? Well said! Based on the given examples, it can be said that the rate is the easiest to identify since it is written or expressed with the percent symbol or the word percent. It is often written before the word of. The base is the whole or 100%. It is often written after the word of. The percentage is considered as the part of the whole or base. This time, I will be giving you a 5-item test. Read each problem, then identify either the rate, base, or percentage. You will be given 2 minutes to answer. Your timer starts now. Time is up. Let's verify how much you learned. I am confident that you are honest enough, so I will let you check your own work. Here are the answers. 1. 20%. 2. 40. 3. 8. 4. 10%. And 5. 10. Great job, my dear children! You surpassed all the activities for this lesson. Before we end, I want you to reflect by completing the following statements. I learned that I will apply my learning by. I am expecting that all of your reflections are properly compiled in your portfolio. Thank you, my dear children. I hope you learned a lot from this session.